Welcome guys, welcome back to our next fishing adventure with me. Today, as you could see, I'm in this beautiful spot. Water is a bit low today, so hopefully I can catch some fish. Hopefully I can catch some fish today. But it's past couple weeks now I couldn't get to this spot. Water was so high. But you could see I'm right up by this spot right here. So I'm gonna try to fish right here. Hopefully I can catch some fish today. And guys, remember, leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe if you're new. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and drop them right here, see what's here. Alright guys, I'm catching them but they keep breaking off. Trying to set the hook but they're down there, that's for sure. That one was a nice size one. Yep, that one is on. Shit, what's going on with these fish? Hope you guys see that one. Man, I could swear I got that one. I guess not. I guess not. What's the idea? I don't even know what kind of fish that one was. I could swear I did catch that one. But let's try again. I get one. That's a lovely catfish, a small one in a way. I'll finally catch one. Finally. Guys, finally catch my first catfish. Finally catch my first catfish after about 3 weeks hunting them. It's a small one but I catch it. Guys, let this one go. I feel better now. 3 weeks now I'm hunting a catfish. It's a small one but at least I catch one. Well guys, I'm getting hungry. Let's see if I can find a spot to make some lunch. Something quick to eat. Right here I got Malco, one burner stove. I got a piece of smoked bacon right here. So I'm gonna get, and I got a couple eggs. I got a couple eggs with me too, so make some bacon and egg. Make some bacon and egg. After lunch I'm gonna try to fish this spot right here. Sun is very hot today. This spot is a very nice spot, very calm, very quiet. Listen to the birds, listen to the water run. Remember, please leave the thumbs up, please subscribe. Check out this spot, guys. Very calm. Nothing around you. 360 degree. Just me and the birds. Toasting up some bread, guys. Guys, that's lunch. Egg, some smoked bacon, some toast bread down by the river. It's the best way to eat lunch. Down by the river. Fishing, eating, best life. Good bacon right here. Guys, finish eating, so it's time to go back fishing. See what we can catch. Hopefully we catch something big today. killer is sitting right here watching some big fish in and out of the water. It's so hard to catch them on the camera because I don't have the camera constantly running. You guys see that one right there just now. The next catfish again, guys. Second catfish of the day. Second catfish of the day. This catfish, guys, right back in. Second catfish of the day. That's not bad. Let's try for one more. There's a big fish in this water, guys. I can't. And right now I'm waiting for hours trying to catch that one. I want to catch him, but still no luck. So I'm still here trying. I think that one was him, but it was not. I think that big fishing is the experienced fish. I don't think I want to catch that one. It's really big. Yesterday I went to a different location, probably for 4 or 5 hours. Did not catch a fish. You can see the big fish. I don't know if the camera going to pick, but he's over there. Straight ahead. There's a fish. Yep. Oh. That one break off, guys. That one break off. It was feeding night for a long time, but I set the hook, but I guess it didn't set right. That's not bad, like 2 fish, less than 5 minutes. We're back in again, guys. You know, fishing game is a very patient game. The big fish is right over there now. That big fish don't want nothing to do with my bait, that's for sure. Nothing at all to do with my bait. There's a fish right now nibbling away. No. Well, guys, I'm heading back out of here now. I'm going to try a couple spots up there. Can't catch anything up there, but wasn't a bad day. A couple, it a catch a couple catfish. So that's not bad. And guys, remember, if you make it this far in the video, touch the subscribe button if you don't subscribe yet. That couple nice carp right here swimming around. Some nice carp right here. I'm gonna make a couple of casts right here and see what's going on. I'm not gonna put anything right here. Try it and see. I don't know the camera. I don't know the camera picked that one up just now. I'm sure more people down there fishing, but I don't think I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna head out behind the rock. I don't spook him. He's right here. You see him swimming around. There's the next big one right here coming my way. There's a big one right here. About 22 inches. It's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and head out of this spot. Crazy. There's a big fish right here too. That's a big fish right there. Like I say, it's always a nice day. It's always a good day when you get out fishing. Always. Have some good lunch. Chill out, clear your mind. That's it. So guys, I make it back home. Sound and safe. Enjoying a cold one. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.